Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, October 5th. I wanted to take you through some of the things that you have to be working on this week in math. So if we come to the dashboard on Canvas and click in, you'll notice first thing, if you click on assignments, you have two assignments for this week, both of which are in Edgenuity. So no Canvas assignments, just continuing to work through Edgenuity. So Edgenuity, operations with integers. Up until this point, we've worked on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division individually. So like one whole section was dedicated to addition. This week, we're going to put it all together. So it's really important that you have all four of those previous notes down in front of you on those four operations, as well as the other notes before it. So putting it all together, I would highly recommend using IXL to make sure that you're feeling really confident in your adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, because it's going to be all put together here in sort of the summary of that section. So Edgenuity, working through operations with integers, that's due Wednesday at 3 p.m. And then that is our final section for this part of Edgenuity. And so you'll see that after that, what you have is you have an Edgenuity unit test review and unit test. So this is your first unit test. And so what you'll have to do is once you complete this section in the quiz, you'll be about 81% complete for the 9 weeks. Then you'll take a unit test review, and what you need to do is you should write down any questions you have. You should take pictures and talk with Mr. Kerr about those questions you have, because once you start the actual unit test after the review, you can't get help on the unit test. So do make sure that you understand things as well as possible when you do the unit test review. And then by Friday, you need to have that unit test taken to stay on pace with us, because I'm not sure if you realize this, but there are only 2 weeks left in the 9 weeks. There's this week until Friday, and then the end of the 9 weeks is on the 15th of October. So 2 weeks remaining to finish up all of your classes in Edgenuity. So continue to stay on pace there. Your notes, we've talked about a little bit in the whole group class on Monday, but also remember you can look in modules. And here in modules, here are all the notes that you should have written down on a piece of paper. And so this week, here is the notes on operations with integers, how they're going to put all of these skills together to make this the sum of all of those things. So good luck. Make sure you take these notes first. Once you have these notes down, then hop over to Edgenuity and start working there. If you have any questions, please come to your small groups. Please come to tutoring on Wednesdays. Reach out. Use your inbox here to message me, and we can help you out as much as you need. We'll talk to you soon.